Welcome to all. Today we are going to discover another quote for Law of Attraction Mastery. Without further ado, let's get into it. If you judge after appearances, you will continue to be enslaved by the evidence of your senses. That's a quote by the great Neville Goddard. And this is one of the most important quotes. When it comes to Law of Attraction, that's one thing we need to hammer down in our minds. We need to be completely submerged in the understanding of what this quote means. If you want to manifest something, by definition, this thing you have is not in your reality right now. So in order for you to manifest this thing, you have to be able to see it and see yourself as already having the thing that you want. Yes, you do affirmations. Yes, you do scripting and all that good stuff, visualization. And for that time, for that session, you do believe that you are in that state of having, of being the person you want to be or have the thing you want to have. But what about the rest of the day? What about in between those sessions? You will see things that are not aligned. Why? Because by definition, when you manifest something, you don't have it yet. So you will see in your reality that you are not the person you want to be yet. You don't have the thing you want to have yet. And if you let the appearances that you see through your eyes and your senses dictate your reaction, then it is a problem. It's not a problem if you react positively. If you see something, even a small thing that is aligned with your wish fulfilled, with your desire, and you acknowledge it, that's very powerful. You don't need to do it, but it is powerful. However, if you react to circumstances, events, and appearances that are not aligned with your wish fulfilled, and you react inside negatively with emotions, negative emotions or negative thoughts, such as, I'm not getting what I want, why is it not happening? All those negative reactions that are contrary to what you want to manifest will block your manifestation from coming into your life. So that's why you need not be tricked by your eyes, by your ears, by your senses. What you script, visualize and manifest is what matters. Your imagination is God, as Neville Goddard would say. So remember, you don't need to be trapped and enslaved by your senses. Be stronger than that. Develop your imagination. Every time you see something contrary, it doesn't matter. Because this is a result of past manifestation, past beliefs. Your imagination is more important because it precedes what you're going to see in your reality. So it doesn't matter what you see, you can always change it. And only that, once you have done the work, there is a time delay between seeing it here and it happening. Because why? Because there's a bridge of incidents that leads from the seed being planted to your manifestation, and that is not up to you. The how, the when is not up to you. So once you know this, and once you know that your imagination is more important, you have no excuse to let anything in your 3D reality make you react in a negative way. So remember, stay focused on your imagination. Do not pay so much attention and do not pay so much homage to the things you see in your 3D reality, because your mind, your imagination is always more important and more potent than what you see, because your imagination is what creates. So stay focused on what you have in the mind. Have faith in the unseen, and that is the most important thing. Thank you so much for listening. If you need my help, links in the description box below. Thank you so much for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. It does help my channel grow, and I appreciate it very much. See you soon.